Ano yung feelings ng person mo towards you ngayon? So, let's see the energies. This is a general reading, so pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So, kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo sa aking, pa-wind effect kasi mainit talaga dito sa aking office. Walang aircon. So, ganyan talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. So, let's see the energies ng relationship. Ano yung energy ng past? Like, recent past ng connection ninyo. Oh my God. The Tower. So, merong may gumuhong relasyon, gumuhong pangarap. Pwedeng merong pag-aaway, unexpected, pwedeng may paghihiwalay. There's also a release, like may nilet go. Okay? Tell us something more about the Tower. What is the Tower? The Four of Wands, okay. Para tong gumuhong pangarap. Ito yung tipong meron na kayong plano na mag-settle down or magsama or nagsasama na kayo pero it turned out na hindi pala mag-work. Diba? May separation. Pwedeng may separation dito. Okay, what is the current energy ng connection na to? What's the current energy? The Knight of Pentacles. Someone is waiting. Someone is waiting for someone na ayusin yung relationship. You may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Tower is Mars energy, so this can be Aries or Scorpio. Tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles. Oh, para magsimula ulit. Okay. So, current energy, it's like someone is waiting para to take action or pwedeng merong nagte-take action dito sa relationship ninyo na gustong ayusin yung connection ninyo but the other person is hindi siya ganun kasigurado. Na parang, okay, gusto mong ayusin, sige, tingnan natin, oobserbahan kita, parang ganun. O, tingnan natin yung feelings ng person mo na para ma-separate natin. Pwede tong reversal yung roles ha. Pwedeng ikaw yung energy na to, and then the other person is your person, or the other person ikaw, or yung, basta ganon. Pwedeng magbaliktad. So, ano yung feelings ng person mo ngayon? Ano yung feelings ng person? The Four of Pentacles. So, someone is holding on to it. So, pwedeng yung person mo nag-hold on dito sa relationship ninyo. Hindi pa siya nagle-let go eh. Oh, the World. Okay. The World is, pwedeng merong distance sa relationship ninyo, malayo kayo sa isa't isa, pwedeng it's either OFW, nasa ibang bansa, may distance. And the World is also about ending a chapter in your life. So I feel like, alam niya na tong relationship ninyo ay papunta na kayo doon sa bagong chapter. So parang may nagiging transition sa relationship ninyo na, okay, kung hindi naging maganda yung past ninyo, recent past ninyo na may pag-aaway, pwede may paghihiwalay, pero iniisip niya ngayon na maaring pwede pang ayusin kung hindi siya bibitaw sa inyo, sa relationship ninyo. So, let's see yung feelings mo. Ano yung feelings ng collective towards their person? Confused. O, ikaw ang confused. Hindi ka na sigurado sa kanya. Pwede kasing, meron na ring iba. Ikaw, baka ganon. Kasi may mga options involved na rin dito. Oh my God. Tell us something more about the Seven of Cups, please. Gusto mo na mag-move on. I feel like ikaw yung may gusto na umalis doon sa relationship. Kasi hindi ka na sigurado sa kanya. Hindi ka na sigurado kung meron ba kayong future together. May pupuntahan ba yung relationship ninyo. But your person is still waiting. Nag-hold on pa siya. Okay. Tignan pa natin. Energy ng person ng collective. Celebrate your success and treat yourself to luxury. Parang gusto pa niya na, alam mo yun, may i-celebrate pa kayo sa life ninyo. Pwedeng malapit na yung ano ninyo, anniversary, monthsary. Romance. Keep the spark alive by rekindling your passion. Gusto niya ayusin yung relationship ninyo. Gusto niyo i-rekindle yung relationship ninyo. Ano yung feelings? Oh. Okay, ang daming lumabas. Meron ditong heartbreak. Heartbreak is a part of human experience. It will pass. So I feel like you are heartbroken sa nangyari sa relationship ninyo. Sabi rito, love's greatest gift is the ability to truly understand one another. So it feels like gusto mo na maintindihan ka ng person na to kung bakit you want something to change in your situation. Life force. I feel like meron dito nawalan ng gana. It's either ikaw nawalan ka ng gana na sa kanya, or siya rin naman yung dahilan kung bakit nawalan ka ng gana sa kanya. 'Di ba? Okay, tingnan natin. Saan papunta yung relationship mo? Where is this relationship going? Saan papunta ang relationship ng collective? The Sun, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. So, there's a possibility na maayos yung relationship ninyo in the future. Okay? Merong willing na maghintay. Pwede yung person mo, maghihintay siya na bumalik ka sa kanya or ayusin. And I feel like this person will exert effort to win you back, na bumalik ka sa buhay niya at magsimula kayong muli. Okay? So that is your reading, collective. Thank you so much. Bye.